sip and serve with Russell's. Let's make a classic Caesar salad. Here's what you will need.
Bread croutons, grilled chicken, Caesar dressing, garlic bread, iceberg lettuce.
Add iceberg lettuce to the bowl.
Add Caesar dressing. Mix it well, ensuring every leaf is coated in that creamy dressing. Sprinkle some freshly shredded Parmesan cheese for that rich, cheesy flavor. Don't forget the garlic bread on the side, the perfect complement to your Caesar salad. Add some delicious grilled chicken slices for extra protein. Toss in crispy bread croutons for that perfect crunch. Enjoy your fresh and delicious Caesar salad, perfect for any occasion. Simple, tasty, classic. Try it now.